Hi everyone, my name is Chu Huang, and today we're gonna start to work on Math 110. Um, Let me share my screen. Okay. I will turn off my. Okay. So we're gonna start to work on chapter 1, linear equation and inequalities. In this chapter, we will cover price demand equation, the linear cost model, the slope and intercepts, linear interpolation. Okay, let's get into section 1.1, price demand equation. Remember that if you don't understand any point after watching my recorded video, please get into my live Zoom every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday. At the time I also provide you, so you should get in and ask me any question at that point. Okay. So in this session 1.1, we're going to talk about the price and demand equation. The first question in here is if I have like a plasma ADTV companies, and then I say what happened to the consumer demand if the price of a 52-inch plasma ADTV go down, right? So you should know that if the price go down, what thing is going to go up, right? In this problem, in this chapter, we will talk about the price and demand. You should know that, right? So I'm gonna say if the price go down, then the demand is goes up. So goes up. And the other question is what happens to the consumer demand if the price go up? Okay, easily you can say demand is gonna be goes down. Right? You don't like to buy things if the price going up. So okay. Now consumer demand change when the price change. You should know this. Know that demand change when the price change. Okay. So what we're gonna talk about the symbols in this session. For the price, the notation of that is going to be P, small p. Is the selling price for the TV, and the demand usually is notated by X, which is a number of TVs in thousand sold. Okay. So if the number of demand X is relate to the price P in the price demand with the equation under here, X equal to 1,720 minus for 0.5 P. Remember that this is an example of a linear equation for two variable, right? Which is X and P, right? And why is coefficient of P negative, right? You're gonna say, what is coefficient of P? Okay, coefficient of P is negative 0.5 over here. Okay, so I'm gonna say coefficient of P equal to negative 0.5. So the question is, why? Why the coefficient is negative? Because you can see that if the price going up, right? If the price go up, then what happened? Demand X will be going down. So that's the reason why the coefficient has to be negative. And it's like, it's negative each other, right? So we are interested in pairs of number P and X that satisfies this equation. Such a pair is called a solution to the equation, right? So this is like order pair XY in the XY coordinate, but in here we, instead of using those letters, we're using PX, right? So now I have a question that, what is the demand in thousand if the price is 1,440? Okay. If you want to pause the video, you can pause it and try to do it first, and then come back with my solution. Okay. So, but in here, the given in here say that the price is 1,440. So that means what? P equal to 1,440, right? And then I will have what? So according to my equation, right, I substitute into X equal to 1,720 minus 0.5 P. I will have what? X equal to 1,720 minus 0.5. Okay, P now change to be 1,440. So let me change the other color. So 1,440 is P here. Okay. So now I will use my calculator and just gonna have answer as, go ahead and use your calculator and let's see what is so remember that you need to follow the PEMDAS. Okay, you need to multiply this guy first and then subtract using 1,720, subtract that. So the answer, my answer has to be equal to 1,000. If you have different one, check your work. Okay, and then I want to check what is the unit of this for the X. I know that I have to go back to the given. The given say X is the number of TVs in thousand. Okay, so then I have to answer this is in thousand. So the units is in thousand. I don't even know how to spell this. Okay, so in thousand. What does that mean? That mean we will have 1 million units in demand, right? So 1 million units in demand. Okay. Okay, so now let's answer the question down here. What is demand if the price is 2,500? Okay. So I have to put demand is if the no, we have to find the demand x if the price is 2,500. So I have P equal to 2,500. So do the same way. I'm gonna have to substitute P equal to 2,500 into x equal to what's the equation? In this column, it gives us the equation is 1,720 minus 0.5 P. Okay, so now I have x equal to 1,020 minus 0.5 times 2,500, and then x will be equal to, now let's use a calculator and follow the PEMDAS to tell me what you have. So I have 470. Okay. Unit is in thousand. Okay. So I will answer this question as the demand is 470,000 unit. Maybe I have to circle this. Okay. So you can check if the answer is the same. But the answer here should be like, if the price is 2,500, then the demand is 470,000 units. Okay. So so you see that, maybe I'm gonna circle this. Since the price going up, then the demand is going down from 1 million to 470,000. Okay, now what price should we charge if we want to sell 500,000 TV? Okay, so now they're asking us for the price, but they're giving us is the demand is x equal to 500. And then the price, P, we want to know. So in order to do that, again, we still have to substitute. So x equal to 500 into x equal to 1,720 minus 0.5 p. So in here, it giving us x equal to 500. So, okay. So what we should do is we have 500 substitute for x equal to 1720 minus 0.5 p. Okay, and we are looking for p. Okay, in order to find p, I need to isolate p alone. So how can I do that? I need to add both ends side. No, I subtract both ends side by 1720. 1720. Okay, what do I have now? Okay, so I have left hand side gonna be left hand side gonna be 1180 negative. All right, and the right hand side gonna be this should be 0, right? Negative 0.5 p. Okay. No, I make a small mistake. The answer had to be 1220 negative, right? And I divide by negative 0.5 up inside. Now, the answer had to be left hand side will be equal to 2440, and the right hand side is just p, right? Because I did cancel the negative 0.5 here. I divide both hand side by negative 0.5. And in here, that means what? That means the price is 2,440 for each TV, right? So now let's move down. A question says that you found that the demand in thousand if the price is 1,440 is 1,000. Okay, so this is from part A, right? Okay. Or it means that 1 million, right? What is the demand if the price is 1,441? Okay. Still apply the same equation, but in this case, they're giving you P equal to 1,441. Okay, so I have X equal to, what's the equation I forgot? 1720 minus 0.5 times P. And I substitute P again. I have X equal to 1720, substitute for 0.5 times with 1,441. and then I have x equal to, for this case, you're going to use a calculator again. What do you have? It should be 999.5. So what does that mean? Remember that this is in thousand, right? Units of the x is in thousand. So then that means what? That means I have answer as demand is 999 times 99.5, but now it's 999,500. You multiply by 1,000 for this to get the real units. Right? So now 999,500 thousand 500 units TV. So for the next question, the demand in thousand, if the price is 2,500, is x equal to 1720 minus 0.5 times 2,500 equal to 470,000. What is the demand if the price is 2501? Okay, so in this case, you have P equal to 2501, and you still do the same way as substitute into the equation. X equal to 1720 minus 0.5 P, and x equal to 1720 minus 0.5. Now P is 2501. And now using the calculator, you will get x equal to 469.5. 469.5. Remember that this is still in thousand, right? So then you will have demand is, you multiply 1,000 with this, you're gonna get 469,500 TV. Okay, so if the price increased by $1, how does the demand change? So in order to answer this question, you may, I'm gonna have a table between the price and the demand. So say if the price is 1,440, then the demand will be 1,000 in 1,000 units, right? And then if the price is 1,441, you see that's it is increased 1 unit. What happened with the demand? I'm gonna have 999.5. Okay, and then in another two case, I'm gonna have like price is 2,500, and the demand will be 470,000, and it changing to be 2,501. Then I have demands will be 469.5. So you see that the demand is decreasing by about like negative 0.5. Remember that's in thousand, right? So I'm gonna say demand decrease by 0.5, right? Or you can use say 1,000 minus for 9.5, which is equal to 0.5. Same thing as for 70, you minus for 469.5. It's going to be 0.5. And that's the reason why you have the negative 0.5. The negative is mean that decreasing, okay? So let's go here. And then I can say, so the demand decreased by 0.5 thousand. And or in 500. Right? See that? Going to be the answer. So we're done with this problem, and let's go to the next page. Okay. The next page gives us the graph of the equation x equal to 1720 minus 0.5p. And what it wants us is trying to find point x that represent the situation where the demand is 500,000 TV. And we're going to estimate the corresponding price. So in order to do that, you're going to look at the demand. Look at when demand is 500, right? I saw that demand is over here. So actually here is 500, right? And in order to find x, which is the point that's on the graph and has demand is 500, which means you try to use a horizontal line here intersect with the graph as x. Okay, and that's for x on the graph will be the one that we are looking for. And in order to estimate the corresponding price, you're going to use the horizontal line from point x. No, I was going to say vertical line, sorry. Vertical line from point x go down to see the value of the price. And in here, I'm going to say the price should be less than 2,500. And estimately, it should be corresponding price should be 2,450. So corresponding price is about 2,450. Okay, remember that is the estimate price, because when you look at the graph, you see that at here, at this point, the price cannot be equal to 2,500, but it has to be greater than 2,000, and so it's really near to the 2,500. So I'm gonna estimate equal to 2,450. Okay. Let's move to the last page. Okay, the last page say rewrite the price demand equation x equal to 1720 minus 0.5 by solving p in terms of x. So let me rewrite this equation. P. Okay, in order to solve for p in terms of x, you just isolate the p alone. So so in this case, you need to minus both inside by 1720 first. So you will have x minus 1720, and the right hand side gonna be equal to negative 0.5 p. So now, to get rid of negative 0.5, you will multiply it by 1 over negative 0.5, right? Or you divide by negative 0.5, same thing. But I don't know the yes. 1 over negative 0.5 multiply with that. Both inside. Okay. So keep in mind that 1 over negative 0.5, which is equal to 2. So I will rewrite it as negative 2 x minus 1720 equal to p. Okay. In this case, you see that we did cancel this one. Okay, now I will do distribution, and I have negative 2x plus with this will be 3440. 3440. Negative 2 times negative 1720 gonna be equal to positive 3440, and we equal to p. Okay. Just do distribution to get the next step. And then now I will have what? I will rewrite as p equal to negative 2x plus 3440, and that should be the solution for p in terms of x. Okay, now in what circumstance would you use this equation rather than original? So in order to use the equation, p equal to negative 2x plus 3440. I usually gonna use when they given the demand, right? If they given the demand, which is action here, then I'm gonna just plug into this equation to get the price, right? So I would like to say if I'm gonna say like I will use equation when the demand is given and ask for and ask for price.